Hello and welcome to this video on how to create a simple 3D model of a building. To create the model we will use the conceptual mask. If we go to the application menu and then select new and conceptual mask, then we will select the template called metric mask and click on open. And within this template we will model the 3D building. So to start with, I will just choose one of the tools on the draw, and I think I will select the rectangle, and then I will just draw within this frame the shape of my building, and I think I will make it 11 by 20 meters. So I'll just click here and then hit escape twice. Now if you select the shape, you will see that each of the corner has a small circle, and it means that you can move each of the corners so you get the shape that you desire. I'll just go back one step. Then once you finish with the shape, just click on it and then select the create form, and then select the solid form. And now you have a simple 3D model of the shape, and you can make it bigger if you wanted to. Also you can make it tilt to one direction. So it's up to you which shape that you desire. I'll just go back. Also, if you want the roof to slope, for example, in one direction, you can just select the line, for example this one, and I want this part to be the top of the roof, so I'll just drag or lift it up like this. And if I want, for example, the roof to slope in both directions, I can just select the building. I'll just go to the first level, and then I can use the mirror tool, which is under modify, and then just draw from one point to the other of the building. And if I go back to my 3D model, I now have a shape where the roof will slope in both directions. And you can add more elements. Let's say I want to have a staircase out here, a circular or going halfway through the building. Let's make it 5 meters. Hit escape twice. Let me go back to the 3D model. And you can see this one I actually has been drawn to the roof, but I actually wanted to go to the floor. So I'll just delete this one again and go to the plan view and select the circle and placement plan. In this case, select the level 1 and then click here and go for 5 meters again. Go back to the 3D model, and now we can see that the shape is in the ground, so I'll just click on it. And again I will go to create form and create solid, and then I have two options. I can either make it, for example, a tower, or I can make it as a ball. I will select the tower, and now I can just drag it to the height that I desire. I can just type in the height. Let's say I want to have it 15 meters. So now this will be the shape. And if I just set the wireframe, then we can see that we actually have 3 parts of the building. We have one part which is out here, and then the other part which is the mirrored part of the building, and then we have the tower right here. So we want to join this shape, so we only have one, and for this we can use the join tool. Just click on join, and then I will select the first part of the building and then the second one. And now we see this is only now one building or one element. And now I want to join this part with the tower like this. And now we have just one frame right here. We just set it back to shaded. Let's say I want to have an opening in this part right here, then I will just go back to the level 1. So it will be in this end of the building, and again I will select the rectangle tool and just click somewhere out here, make a shape, go back to the 3D model, and again I will select the shape and select create form. Then in this case I will select the void form, and now I can just drag it. I want it to go upwards, and again you can type in the height. Let's say I want to have it 8 meters, and then hit enter, and now I have an opening within the building. So once you are happy with the shape, once you have finished it, and you want to load it into your project, then first you need to open the project, and then afterwards you can click on the icon called load into project, and just close this part. And now you will be able to place the building. And for example, here you want to select which level you want to place the building at, and I just want to place it at the ground floor, so I will select this one, and then I can place the building and hit escape. And now this is the new building placed on my plot. So this is just an easy way to illustrate the shape and the size of a building, and also to illustrate the size of the surrounding buildings.